Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today looking at this 2019 Peterbilt 567 with 18-foot Boulder Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Just doing a little night pictures here, trying to mix it up. This one has the high lift tailgate, electric tarp, and we put the steel hydraulic tank with the ladder on it. As you can see, that line's right up there, makes it nice and easy to climb in the bed if you had to. Got the Hendrickson steerable lift axle on there. The hitch, if we can see that at all. High lift electric tarp right there. Single exhaust on this one. These are the ones that we're keeping in stock here with the X15 and 13-speed ultra shift transmissions. It's got the light check going on here on the keyless entry. There we go. Just popped in my pocket, but keyless entry is definitely a nice option here. Go ahead and jump in the cab real quick. Got the black vinyl seats, the tan and gray interior, a couple extra gauges there, and the auto temperature AC, which I all have now. Mechanical dump body controls, dual air ride seats, rubber floor mats. Still decently spec package here. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please give us a call and visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.